Do you like garlic? Do you like potatoes? Do you like garlic potatoes? Well then, keep watching, because that's exactly what I'm going to make, but it's my own twist of it. See these little salad potatoes I have here? They've started to sprout, so I think they're definitely calling to be used up. I'm going to take off all those little bits, cut them up into little pieces, and then I'll join back with you then. And here are my potatoes, roughly chopped. Don't get too stressed about how you chop them up, just nicely chopped. And I'm ready to steam. Pop on the pot. So I'm going to steam these cooked, and then we'll do the next part. And here our spuds are ready. How do you know if your potatoes are cooked? Get a knife. If it goes nicely through, all the way through, nice and soft, there you go, all done. I'm going to rinse these off with a bit of cold water just to stop them cooking. I'll let these dry out here now for a minute or two before we move on to the next step. Now pop a few knobs of butter on the pan, wait for it to melt. There we go. Now pop your potatoes in. Nice hot pan now. And I'm going to be lazy and just sprinkle garlic granules all over, quite generously. And be generous with your butter too. Real butter is good for you. Give it a good stir. Now we're just going to give it a few minutes. You want to get them nice and golden and crispy. Don't go too far from the pan. But you don't have to keep stirring all the time either. So this is what you're looking for. Golden, sizzling, delicious. Your family will love this. You will love this. I love this. These get devoured in our house. So go on, have a go and enjoy. Don't forget, please subscribe. Please like this video. I would really, really appreciate it. And thanks so much again for joining me in my kitchen. I really appreciate that too. Hope you had fun. Hope you have a go at making these delicious garlic fried potatoes. God bless. Bye. And don't forget, God bless this food.